What is up everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix Twitter lag in Narzo N63. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I am showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, check your Twitter updates. For check your Twitter update, open Play Store and then search here Twitter. Now click on X and then here you can see your Twitter update. If you have any Twitter update, then here you can see the update option instead of open. After that, go back to your home screen and open your settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and here you can see the option Twitter. Now click on it and then click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the data and cache memory of Twitter. After clear data and cache memory, then go back and click on system and update and click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone and in last you can see the option erase all data. Now click on it and here enter your password to erase all data. Erase all data basically means factory data reset. It will remove all the data in your device like photos, videos, documents. Everything will be removed in your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.